Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create social media Sunday poster design in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle shape. Apply stroke to none, and any fill color. Open Layer panel, and press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. And drag it left side, minimize its volume. Hold the Alt key, and make a copy of it. Select Shape Layers, right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. And drag it to downward. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and choose Perspective. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Then, go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Do some manual selection if it needs. Then add a layer mask to it. Adjust its placement. Duplicate image layer, and delete layer mask. Make a rough selection of image shadow using Lasso tool. And press Ctrl+J. And delete the image layer. Go to the Image menu, Adjustments, and then Desaturate. And change its blend mode to Color Burn. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Use these settings. And hit OK. Select Bottom layer. Create Gradient Adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Apply the same gradient to other shape. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using the Nortune Black font. Follow my text settings. Create blank layer. Go to the brush tool. Then apply it like this. Follow me. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.